Hi, I'm Jonie from Just Between Friends, and I wanted to show a fun way to play with your kids that is really cheap and fun and easy. What I have here are making your own stamps using foam stickers. Now, foam stickers can come in all sorts of different varieties. You've got people, you've got little animals, you've got letters, and today I have the letter set. I actually picked this up from the Target dollar spot, so it's only $1 for this whole pack, and my kids have just been having a blast with it. So I also picked up these wooden blocks from Hobby Lobby. They're, you can get a pack of 9 for like $3 or something like that in the wood aisle, and just sand them down a little bit so there's no splinters, and then you can just let your kids go crazy with these foam stickers. And here you can see I've put the M and the L on the side, and you can do one on each side just as long as you have some way to stamp without getting their fingers stuck on the letters. So I wouldn't recommend putting them on the top and the bottom. So all you need to do is put the foam stickers on the block, stick it in your ink, and then go crazy on the paper. Your kids are gonna have a blast, and it costs nothing at all. So good luck with that, and thanks for tuning in for the craft tip of the day.